Hello everyone, myself Vinay from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, first year Cyber Security. Today I want to discuss about critical point of networking system. Introduction for critical point of networking. A critical point in a networking system is a value of average degree that separates random networks with agreement components from those that do not. It also a method of defining critical nodes in networks, which are important to the structure and dynamic of networks. Critical point also can be used to define local minima and maxima, define saddle point and designing numerical algorithms for analysis. Critical point analysis can be applied to social and biological networks such as social and protein login binding transition networks. Pathway connecting different regions of network. Example for critical point of a networking system. Example for articulation points and bridges which can help identify vulnerabilities in a network graph or system. A critical point is a point on a graph where the rate of change of a function changes, such as from increasing to decreasing or in concavity. Critical points are useful for solving optimization problem and determining example for critical point of a networking system. Let us solve first one and see. A point C in the domain of a function of f of x is called a critical point of f of x if f c is 0 or f dash c does not exist. This article explaining the critical points along with solid example. Let us see first one's explanation. A function of f which is contained continuously with x in its domain contains a critical point at point x is the following condition holds good. First point f dash of x is 0 and second point f dash of x is undefined. A point of a differentiable function f at which the derivative is 0 can be termed a critical point. Few points on critical points let us discuss. The types of critical points are as follows. First point, a critical point is a local maximum if the function changes from increasing to decreasing at the point, whereas it is called a local minimum in if the function changes from decreasing to increasing at the point. Let us see the graph and display a graph in play. Let's take x-axis as a 4 digit 1 2 3 4. In y-axis 1.0 1.5 2 2.5 3. This function has critical point at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Classification of critical points is explained below. Critical point f dash of c is equal to 0. F dash of 0 is not equal to 0. Let f dash of c is not equal to 0 have constant function inflection function. Constant function f dash of c is equal to 0. Let's see the graph. Sixth one and fifth one inflection point f dash of c is equal to 0, and this side f dash of c is equal to 0 have two local extrema. In local extrema inflection point, graph number 1 f dash of c is equal to 0, and second graph and third fourth graph see and displayed in this. Let us solve the second one. Let us see. Find the critical points of a function f dash of x is equal to x square ln x. Let's solve. Take the derivative using the product rule. F dash of x is equal to x square len dash is equal to 2x into in len x plus x square star 1 by x is equal to 2x len x plus x is equal to x bracket 2 in len x plus 1. Determine the points where the derivatives is 0 and the first root c dash is equal to 0 is not a critical point because the function is defined only for x is equal to greater than 0, and consider the second root and hence is a critical point of a given function. Third point, local maxima and local minima value of a function f x minus 1 x plus 2 square are. Let's solve. F dash of x is equal to 2 x minus 1 x plus 2 x plus 2 to the whole square is equal to 3x square plus 6x. F dash of x is equal to 0 x is equal to 0 comma minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 to the whole power square is equal to 0 minimum value, and f of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 0 plus 2 to the whole power square is minus 4 minimum value. I discussed about 3 questions on critical point of networking system. First one is this and second one and third one. Thank you.